Developed for the distributed generation market, the BioMax is a highly efficient downdraft gasifier that converts low-cost biomass residues into a clean renewable fuel gas. This BioMax, housed in 5 20-foot shipping containers, converts about 200 pounds of dry wood chips per hour into 100 kilowatts of electricity and 350,000 BTUs of heat. Its combined heat and power efficiency of 79% is much higher than other distributed renewables such as wind or solar. This schematic identifies the 5 major subsystems of the BioMax by their container number. Container 1 is the automated feedstock processing module. A week's supply of feedstock is delivered to the site in a standard chip van. When chips are needed, they are fed by a walking floor to a receiver at the rear of the van. Chips are augured from the receiver to the top of the feedstock processing module where they are dropped into a sorter. Chips of the correct size are dropped into a cross-flow dryer where they are dried down to about 15% moisture using clean warm air collected from the gasification process. Chips that are too large or too small are collected in a standard trash hauling bin for disposal. Dried chips of the correct size are sent on to the gasifier. Container 2 houses the gasifier and heat exchanger for cooling the fuel gas. The chips enter the top of the gasifier through a sealed feed gate, where they are converted to a mixture of fuel gases composed mainly of hydrogen and carbon monoxide and a small amount of methane. The hot fuel gases are cooled from about 700 degrees centigrade down to about 100 degrees centigrade in a shell and tube heat exchanger. This waste heat is used for biomass drying. Container 3 houses the filter that automatically removes the ash and char from the fuel gas. The gas cleaning module is stacked on top of the gasification module and is easily accessible by a set of stairs leading to a mezzanine. The filter modules are located inside of standard cabinets. About 2 to 3 pounds of char and ash are automatically removed from the gas stream each hour and delivered to drums for easy disposal. Container 4 can house any number of different application modules such as electric only, thermal only, liquid fuel, or in this case combined heat and power. This commercial gas engine provides a spark to ignite the fuel gas. The engine turns the generator to make 100 kilowatts of 3-phase electricity. Waste heat is collected from the engine exhaust and coolant to make heated water. The amount of heat is measured using this inline flow meter. Container 5 is the module that automatically controls the entire system. System information is displayed using a powerful graphical user interface that includes individual screens such as a pre-run checklist, shutdown and maintenance checklists are also available, an overall system schematic showing the status of major modules, detailed information on each module such as this one for the feed processor, and this one for the gasifier. This screen provides details for temperatures and pressures. This screen shows details for the combined heat and power module, and finally this screen shows the results of queries of historical data. By changing only the feedstock processor, it is possible to convert mixed waste to heat and power. This processor is being developed for the Army Research Lab and will be integrated with the standard BioMax 100. This module, rated at 200 pounds per hour, includes a shredder, food dryer, and briquetter. Bagged waste not containing food is delivered to a powerful shredder where it is size reduced. Wet food is delivered to a standard food dehydrator used by restaurants to reduce the volume of their food waste. The food is heated and stirred until only a little moisture remains. After drying, the material has the consistency and appearance of coffee grounds. The shredded waste and dried food are mixed together and delivered to the briquetter, where they are converted into briquettes about 1.5 inches long by 1.5 inches in diameter. This briquetter will make about 12,000 briquettes in 24 hours. The BioMax is a cost-effective, clean, highly efficient technology that will serve distributed generation customers around the world.